Hello everybody, this is going to be our graphing in standard form video. So, the first thing we want to do is make sure we can find the vertex of something in standard form. Remember, to do that, we're going to do x equals negative b over 2a and then plug in. Now, what I would like to remind you is that standard form is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. I would also like to remind you that we always want to find the vertex first. That's the first thing we want to do. I'll show you why in a second. So let's just use this equation real quick. Okay, so a equals 2, b equals 4, c equals 2. So if I'm looking for the x value of the vertex, that's negative b over 2a. So that'll be negative 4 over 2 times 2, which is negative 1. Now to find the y value, I say y equals 2 times negative 1 squared plus 4 times negative 1 plus 2. So y equals 2 minus 4 plus 2. And 2 minus 4 is negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So my vertex is at negative 1, 0. Now, you'll notice that this is also the same example as example A. So the vertex is at I keep writing this here first. Is at negative 1, 0. But that also tells me that I can rewrite this equation like this. I rewrote it in vertex form. So now I go left 1, up 0, and that'll be my vertex. Now, if we recall graphing in vertex form, plus 1 plus 0, we did that. So I have 2x squared, and we just make a table of values for that. That'll give me, let's see, 8, 2, 0, 2, 8. And now if I'll go a little bit off, but I think we'll live. And there you go. Let's try that one more time. Okay. The first thing I want to do is find the vertex. So x equals negative b over 2a. So x would equal positive 6, right, because it's negative, over 2 times negative 1. So 6 over negative 2 equals negative 3. Now I take that negative 3 and I substitute it in for x so I can find y. So y equals negative times negative 3 squared minus 6 times negative 3 minus 5. You need to be attentive to detail here. You need to do that because look at all these negative signs, right? I have negative 3 squared is 9. Negative 6 times negative 3 is plus 18 minus 5. You need to follow your order of operations very carefully. Y equals 9 minus 5, which is 4. So my vertex is at negative 3, comma 4. Now, I can rewrite my equation in vertex form, right? Y equals negative, remember the a value stays the same, times x plus 3 squared plus 4. Now, I've dealt with the plus 3 and the plus 4, so all I have left is y equals negative x squared, which if I then go ahead and make a table of values for, right, just like we did before, That'll give me -4, -1, 0, 1, 4. And I just go ahead and graph those points. And there you go. All right, guys, what I would like you to do is I want you to try C and D. All right, and we're going to come into class and we're going to check in and see how it went. Have a good day, guys.